What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 16th of July. We're going to take a look at XRP. In just a moment, we are taking a look here at the market overview on coinmarketcap.com. So let's run through this real quick, and then we're going to jump into the charts. So we have the crypto fear and greed sitting at a 68. Definitely have some greed happening in the markets. We're obviously trending higher. We have Bitcoin dominance sitting at a 62, 62.9. We have Ethereum dominance at 10.2, and then everything else 26.9. So we are very far. It can happen quick, but we're still far from alt season. So alt season starts around a 75, and you can see on this alt season index, altcoin season index here, we're at a 34. So basically, if this thing was approaching this light blue zone to dark blue zone, that would be our altcoin season. So that's what we're looking for here. We're going to go check out some charts here. So again, this is coinmarketcap.com, and this is the market overview, and this is the altcoin season chart here. You can see a 75 is where alt season really starts to ramp up. Let's go over to TradingView. So here is an XRP chart. XRP holding up very, very well. Real quick, let's check out the Bitcoin dominance chart here, BTC.D on TradingView. So I looked at this chart yesterday. On the positive side, we are starting to trend down, and we're breaking some important lows. So we just took out a couple important lows here, at least the way I look at it. We are starting to potentially see the 50-day roll over. Whether this picks up momentum and starts to take us down towards the 200-day, that would be good. This could be an early indication that we're starting to shift the dominance out of Bitcoin into the altcoins. We'll see. We did print a higher high here, so this market took out the highs. Call it early May. We just took out the highs here. 25th of June or so, but we rolled over. So it tried to break out and rolled over. What we're seeing is we're seeing Bitcoin break out, continue to move higher, and according to this chart, we're starting to see the dominance fade. So we'll have to see again if this continues to play out to the downside, and that would be a positive thing for the altcoin season. Let's jump into XRP. XRP is up 0.74. This is the Bitstamp data. This is a daily chart, XRP / United States dollar. We have the 50-day starting to bump its head higher. We have the 200-day starting to move higher. We would like to see a cross, which should happen if we break out above the 50 and 200-day moving average. We've went on a pretty massive run from the, let's call it like the 225s up here to 290s or so, and we're holding tight right at a couple levels here. We have three levels: 285, 292, and 281, 285, 292. We have a couple targets we're looking for here, assuming we do break out to the upside into some new recent highs. My next target I'm looking for is 318, really not that far away. Got a couple small targets in between there, 327, 340. And then I think no problem above that, 371. And that should take us up to 455. So that's the real move I'm looking for here, is 455. From where we go, from there where we go, we'll see. I think that would be a very nice move. I mean, it's about a 50+% from where we're currently trading at, around 294. Conservative, yes, I definitely have much higher targets here for XRP, 6, 11. When altcoin season is in full go, and assuming we get there, 4 to 6, 11. Again, hey, I hope Man, I hope, but I obviously don't know. 455 though, I think is very doable. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up here for XRP. Let me know your thoughts down below. Links for the Trading Signal membership is also linked down there in the video description. Of course, not financial advice. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. 455, 611. Where do you think XRP is going once it breaks out? If and when, once it breaks out. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.